Life on a Farm by Mark and Sandy Hutchinson. Welcome to our farm. This is what we see when we look outside in the morning. Do you like to play outside in the dirt? Do you like animals? Do you like to do things without being told you must do them? You might like to be a farmer. We have many animals on our farm. 3 horses, 25 donkeys, 19 chickens, 1 guinea, and 18 ducks. Over 350 cows and calves, 10 dogs, 3 cats. Our daughter Katie and her family also have animals. We work in the garden, so we have fresh vegetables to eat. We pick blackberries so we can make pies and jam. What do these things have in common? Towel, belt, socks, apple. Do you like chocolate chip cookies? All of these things are thanks to a farmer. There are many kinds of farmers all over the world. They grow crops in fields, vegetables, fruit, and animals. Farmers around Missouri raise wheat, soybeans, corn, oats, hay, cows, sheep, chickens, and horses. We raise cattle. Most of our cows have long horns. Life is busy on a farm. Mark checks his cows every day. It is always good to find newborn calves like this one. The cows are hungry and must be fed some hay and grain. It takes time to feed the hay. Mark puts the bales of hay in a big metal ring. Here comes Mark down the road with another bale of hay. During winter, we must make sure the cows and horses have food. During the summer, we bale hay to feed the cows in the winter. We make sure there is a lot of hay because the cows will be very hungry in the winter. We are busy in the winter, especially if it snows. Mark works hard to keep our road clean so we can drive on it. And he uses the tractor to drive in the field to feed hay to the cows. Sometimes we must bring calves into the house so they can get warm. And then we must feed them a bottle. Sometimes we must raise calves and feed them a bottle until they grow up. They drink a bottle of milk 2 times a day. When the calves get bigger, they can leave the barn and move into the field. Then they grow up and have calves of their own. Meet Wild Woman. This is one of her babies, Wild Man. This is Shadow. I used to feed her a bottle, and now she has a baby. Sometimes we must move cows from one field to another. We use 4-wheelers to help us with the cows. Mark guides the cows so they go where he wants them to go. Many nights we work until after it's dark. Sometimes we get dirty. Our tractors and equipment help us on the farm. If you want to be a farmer, you must study hard. You need to be good at math, science, reading, and social studies. We work hard, but also have fun. And sometimes Flat Stanley comes to visit. It is good to relax at the end of a hard day. We love our life as farmers.